Want to create a talking AI video of yourself with just a photo and some text? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use HeyGen, one of the most powerful AI avatar video tools out there. No camera, no mic needed, just creativity. First, go to HeyGen.com and sign up for a free account. You can log in with Google or email. You can choose perfect plan for your business. Also, you have free plan. You can choose what you want to do. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Clean, simple, and ready for action. Click on Create Video. You'll see a blank canvas. On the right side, you can choose an avatar, either a stock avatar or upload your own photo. Yes, you can literally become your own AI spokesperson. Just upload a clear, front-facing image, and HeyGen will process it into a speaking avatar. Next, write the script you want your avatar to say. You can enter text in any language.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right
Below the script box, choose from dozens of voices, accents, and tones. It's great for personal brands, product promos, explainer videos, and even content creators on TikTok or Instagram.
Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I have idea to earn money online.
When you're done, click Generate Video. It might take a few minutes depending on length. Once it's ready, you can preview and download it in HD quality, ready to post on any platform. You can even match the voice to the avatar's gender and mood, professional, casual, excited, and more.
Hello guys, welcome. In this video, I have idea to earn money online.
From here, you can explore templates, create a new video, or check out pre-made avatars. But today, we'll create a fully custom AI video. You're not just stuck with a white background. You can upload custom images, add text overlays, insert your logo, or even use HeyGen's built-in design tools. Here are a few cool ways to use HeyGen. Personal video resumes, YouTube intros, training videos, customer support messages, or even AI content for affiliate marketing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll be sharing more AI tools and tricks soon, so stay tuned and keep creating smarter.